Greetings. My name is Gerard. No, I am not this Aaron you're thinking about. Like I said, my name is Gerard. What is the difference, you ask? Well, here is the difference. Gerard, wear glasses. Okay. Still don't believe me? How about this? Hold on 1 second. Do you believe me now? I do not look like this Aaron that you speak of. Why? Because I wear a bandana. Yeah, I know, I get it. Obviously, I couldn't fool you guys with those simple disguises. But this is the thing. And this resulted from a thought that I had earlier this morning. It's about superheroes and their secret identities, or vice versa, you know, their regular identities and their superhero identities. What I mean is, sometimes you gotta wonder, what the hell is with the citizens within all these like comic books and movies about superheroes? Are they so stupid that they can't figure out who these superheroes are in real life? Or, well, not real life, you know, their real life. But that's the point I'm trying to make. Some superheroes they gotta figure out. Take Batman, for instance, or Iron Man, before he blabbed it out to the world that he was Iron Man. They had something that covered their entire face. That's the thing. No one knew who they were because they had something covering the majority of their face. But then let's look at other superheroes, for instance. Say, Superman. All the hell he did was put on some glasses and say, "Hello, I'm Clark Kent." Who the hell is so stupid enough that they can't figure out that Clark Kent is Superman? You gotta be freaking shitting me. My God. Okay, let's think of some other example. Like Green Lantern. Boom, I put on a mask, I'm someone different. Never mind the cheekbones, the hairstyle. Oh, no. See, the main difference is one guy wears a mask, the other guy doesn't, right? Sometimes I just want to shoot these people in the head. These people do not deserve your oxygen. Luckily, they're within a comic book, so you can't really kill them. Well, I guess you can by burning. Well, that's getting beyond the point. The point is, you can't just put on something simple like a pair of glasses and instantly say, "I'm Gerardo," because it doesn't work that way. So, a word to all you current and would-be comic book artists out there. If you're gonna make one about superheroes, try to make it so that the citizens are at least somewhat intelligent. Either make it so that the superhero has some fully, I don't know what you call it, the full head mask, so that it covers most of their face so that no one can figure out who they are. Or, if you're gonna make it so that there's no real difference between how their face looks in their superhero costume and in their regular civilian costume, then just make everyone else stupid as hell. I don't know. Say you're in retard town or something like that. I don't know. Do whatever you want. I'm just saying, let's make it sensical. But anyway, that's all I have for today, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to comment or like or subscribe. And I hope you have an awesome day. See ya!